Hello guys, so I'm gonna make a video about playing game motorcycles and I only have that one. I passed it. Oh, I thought you could go on somebody, you could go on both. Awesome.
I think maybe it was easier for me to get mad at you than get mad at myself. Well, we, could just both be mad at our kids.
That's Ronaldo Messi. Forgot his name, and I don't know them.
She has had a really hard time ever since her dad and I split up. Yeah, but lately she was turning around. God, she quit smoking.
When it's
her grades got better. Steph was having such a good influence on her.
When it's ready, you can do tricks.
She is too. Well, suppose I should go in there and talk to her.
Oopsie. I just cried.
When children seem the least lovable, it means they need love the most. Do you always talk like a fortune cookie? Actually, it was the thought for the day on my Ziggy desk calendar.
Front black flip.
Would you go in? Would you send out my little code send it, please? Yeah, sure. By the way, your real voice is kind of nice. Thanks. I'm a single parent too,
Trapped. Yeah.
I'll remember that.
Keep going, fine. Lab. When it's green, that means that they could do tricks. I crashed, but when it's red, you can't use it. That one says steer. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you what it's called.
Good judgment cancel out shameless lying. Steph, let me put it this way. Before it can soar like an eagle, the young baby bird must first stumble and fall and spend 2 whole weeks grounded in the nest with no TV.
So we are going to crash because it takes like.
No, I'm thinking of submitting it.
Tomorrow. Crashed. I don't know why it's weird because when you go like at the edge, you like dying. I don't know why when you crash you got 1 star, so we'll be right back with you. So we're back and I'm gonna tell you which one you like once. First, do you like off-road or if you have played this game? Tell me if you like freestyle or off-road in the comments. So I forgot to put start. Here we go. Three, 2, 1, go.
This Friday, dive in. Okay, fair like me doing a city like this to the funniest.
No.
Keep it real. Coolest comedy of the new year. Awkward. Norm of the North. Rated PG. Starts Friday. Moments that really bring us together happen here every day. Disney Parks. Unforgettable happens here.
Jane didn't like restrictions. Not in life. And not when it came to watching her calories. Why settle on taste, Jane thought. That's why Jane loves light and thick, weak, non-fat yogurt. bursting with rich, creamy awesomeness and 12 grams of protein, all for 80 calories. No settling here. What else does Jane love? That you could win a Fitbit Flex from Light and Fit. Learn more on specially marked packs. Light and Fit. Feel free to enjoy. It's Macy's One Day Sale Saturday with a Preview Day Friday with incredible doorbusters till 2 p.m. Like down and wool blend coats for her, now $79.99. Men's sweaters from Clubroom, Alfani, and more, now 75% off. Get half-carat total weight rose-cut diamond roots, just $49.99. Take 30% plus an extra 15% off blenders, juicers, and mixers. And save
I don't know why it's weird. You can go on the red and white when they have two things. I'm gonna do triple flip. Dun dun dun. It's weird because when you fly like it, sometimes you don't die. No, it's too weird. I don't know why it's weird too because it moved by itself. Next, I'm trying to say. So we're gonna na. I'm trapped forever. Oh.
Any party can be a great party with new Tostitos spicy queso dippetizers. Tostitos, bring the party.
It's time! The 1-hour season premiere of Younger starts now. People believe what you tell them. Tell them 26. The problem with Trout Pout is that she's 43 and divorced. Tragic.
Hey, scaredy cat.
You go.
I am now officially
Oh, come on.
26-year-old monster. Welcome to the Thanks for my...
Nice job, bud.
What are you doing in Charles's office? Good night.
Wait.
So here we go. And the game is called. The game is called Motorbike Freestyle. And it's gonna be the end of my video. So bye.